Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear students of class 7. As you know, we're dealing with the chapter heat, and in the last lecture, we had discussed about its brief introduction. We came to know that what heat is actually, and heat is actually the form of an energy, conscious energy, and invisible energy, and that is responsible for the cause of hotness, for the sensation of hotness, I can say. Like light jo hai, it's also a form of an energy. Like sound, heat is also a type of an energy, it's a form of an energy. Also it produces sensation in our body, जिसकी वजह से हम हमको ये पता चलेगा कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो हॉट है, वो कोल्ड है, और वो वार्म है. दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. ओके, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक होगा दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द टेम्परेचर. सो व्हाट इज टेम्परेचर नाउ? बेटा, ये जो हीट है, हीट इज एक्चुअली अ फॉर्म ऑफ एन एनर्जी. दैट मीन्स इट्स एन एनर्जी. टेम्परेचर इज नॉट एन एनर्जी. इट्स नॉट एन एनर्जी. इट इज नॉट एन एनर्जी. ओके बेटा, अगर हम ये कहेंगे समथिंग इज हॉट, समथिंग इज कोल्ड, सपोज कॉफी इज हॉट, कॉफी इज हॉट, ओके, and ice cream is cold, ice cream is cold. We can easily judge this, that coffee is hot and ice cream is cold, sorry. But we don't know how much this coffee is hot, how much hot this coffee is. What is the magnitude of hotness? And how much is the cold, how much cold is ice cream? What is the magnitude of coldness? Are you getting me? I'm repeating this. We know that coffee is hot, ice cream is cold, but we cannot figure out how much hot is coffee. Is it hot or is it hotter? Are you getting me? Same is the case with the ice cream. Is it cold or is it colder? Are you getting me? To answer these questions, we need a measure. We need a measure. Are you getting me? Because we are talking about its magnitude. Kitna, how much is the hotness of a coffee? How much is the coldness of an ice cream? We need a measure for it. And this measure of heat is called as temperature. Are you getting me? This measure of heat is called as temperature. So temperature is what? It's a physical quantity that is used to, it's a physical, right here, it's a physical quantity. It is a physical quantity, okay beta, that is used to measure the hotness, measure magnitude of hotness or coldness of an object, so this is the definition of temperature. Or temperature jo hai beta, this is not an energy, it's actually a physical quantity, it's actually an intensive property of an object. I can say this, and its definition is it's a physical quantity that is used to measure the hotness or coldness of a body. And by this we can say how much the coffee is hot or hotter or something else. Are you getting me? And same is the case with the ice cream. So it's a measure of hotness, it's a measure of hotness or coldness. Also, I can also write it as it's the degree of hotness or coldness. It's a degree of hotness and coldness. Are you getting me? So this is all about the temperature. और temperature को measure करने के लिए we need a device. Are you getting me? We need a device for that. Suppose हमारे पास, हमने find out करना है कि how much is the coffee hot or how much cold is the ice cream. For that we need a measure, and that physical quantity is called as temperature. But temperature with the help of which device we can measure a temperature? So for the calculation of temperature we need a device, and that device is called as thermometer. That is called as thermometer. So what is this beta thermometer? It is actually the device, it's actually an instrument that is used to measure, a device which is used to measure the degree of hotness or coldness. Are you getting me? So it's a device that is used to measure the degree of hotness, or simply it's a device which is used to measure the temperature. बॉडी में कितना टेम्परेचर है. सपोज अगर किसी को अल्लाह फॉरबिड दैट किसी को फीवर चढ़ा, सो इसका जो टेम्परेचर कैलकुलेट करना है हमने, वी हैव टू गो फॉर दैट डिवाइस. वी हैव टू टेक द हेल्प ऑफ ए डिवाइस दैट विल मेजर द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ए बॉडी, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज थर्मोमीटर. Now we have to read a very important concept here, that what is the difference between heat and temperature. This is our topic. What is the difference between heat and temperature? Okay, before discussing what the thermometer is actually, what is the construction, how a thermometer is made, उससे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक important question study करेंगे. What is difference between heat and temperature? Heat and temperature. Are you getting me? So देखो बेटा, heat and temperature में क्या difference है. हीट जो है, एक्चुअली आपको पता है कि हीट इज अ टाइप ऑफ एन एनर्जी. इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ एन एनर्जी, एंड टेम्परेचर इज नॉट एन एनर्जी. ये एनर्जी नहीं है बेटा. एक्चुअली टेम्परेचर जो है, व्हाट्स इट, इट्स द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस और कोल्डनेस. हीट इज अ टाइप ऑफ एन एनर्जी. ये जो हीट है बेटा, आपको अगर मॉलिक्यूलर कॉन्सेप्ट याद होगा, सो हीट जो है वो डिपेंड करती है नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स पे. it depends upon the number of particles. मतलब number of particles in the size उनका क्या होगा, और mass of the particles, और number of particles, that means ये heat जो है, as per as molecular concept is concerned, it's actually the average kinetic energy of an object, kinetic energy of a substance, of the particle in a substance. जितने भी ज़्यादा पार्टिकल्स होंगे, मतलब जितने पार्टिकल्स ज़्यादा होंगे, दैट मीन्स उनमें ज़्यादा काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होगी, एंड उसमें वो ऑब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा हॉट कहलाएगा. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो ये डिपेंड करेगा स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल पे भी. मतलब आपको मैं बताऊं, दिस काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ m इंटू वी स्क्वायर. v इज द वेलोसिटी, एवरेज वेलोसिटी, दैट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल. अगर ज़्यादा स्पीड होगी तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज़्यादा होगी, तो उसको वो ऑब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा हॉट कहलाएगा. लेकिन द स्टोरी इज डिफरेंट फॉर द टेम्परेचर डज नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन दीज फैक्टर्स, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स. और ये अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि एक स्मॉल कप ऑफ टी एंड ए बिग बकेट ऑफ वाटर, are you getting me? These may have the same temperature. Are you getting me? इनका टेम्परेचर सेम हो सकता है. दैट मीन्स अ स्मॉल कप ऑफ टी एंड अ बिग बकेट ऑफ वाटर कैन हैव द सेम टेम्परेचर, बट हॉटनेस जो है, हॉटनेस डिपेंड करेगी साइज ऑफ द पार्टिकल और नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स पे भी. नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स मतलब को नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, तो ये जो टब ऑफ वाटर जो होगा, बकेट ऑफ वाटर होगा, ये ज़्यादा हॉट कहलाएगा एज कम्पेयर टू दिस. बट एज फॉर द टेम्परेचर इज कंसर्न, टेम्परेचर मे बी सेम फॉर द टू केसेज एज वेल. Are you getting me? So what is it? Heat जो है, heat is energy. Temperature is not an energy, but it's a measure of it. Are you getting me? It's a measure of it. Okay बेटा. So what is this? Heat जो है, in nutshell मैं आपको कहूँगा, heat जो है, heat is the cause. Cause मतलब को number of particles. कितने number of particles है आपके? Cause of heat is the cause, and temperature जो है, what is the temperature? Temperature is the effect. Are you getting me? This is the difference between heat and temperature. Heat is a type of an energy. Temperature is not a type of an energy. It's simply the measure of heat. Okay, it depends upon the particle size, number of particles, mass of the particles, इनका size कितना होगा, and moreover it depends upon the velocity of the speed of the particles. More the speed of the particles, more will be the kinetic energy, and when more will be the kinetic energy, more is the object that is to be called. It's a hotter object. But temperature does not depend upon the size and this number of particles. That is why I say कि ये जो cup of water and a big tub of water, it may have the same temperature. इनका temperature अलग सा हो सकता है. That is why I call it as an effect. कॉज नहीं है, कॉज यहाँ पे है बिकॉज यहाँ पे हीट इज द कॉज. वाई कॉज क्यों है ये? बिकॉज यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल ज्यादा है. सो दैट दिस इज द कॉज कि हीट यहाँ पे इट्स टब ऑफ वाटर, इट्स दिस टब ऑफ वाटर विच वी से इट्स हॉटर. सो बट टेम्परेचर जो है, टेम्परेचर मे बी सेम थिंग, मे बी यहाँ पे टेम्परेचर जो हो सकता है वो सेम हो सकता है, बट स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल, नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल, वो फैक्टर जो है दैट कम अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ हीट। आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो हीट जो है डिपेंड करेगी नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स पे भी, स्पीड ऑफ पार्टिकल्स पे भी, टेम्परेचर डज नॉट इफेक्ट। एंड ये जो एसआई यूनिट है हीट, ये जो है हीट को हम मेजर करेंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ जूल्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ जूल्स और कैलोरीज, जूल्स और कैलोरीज। जो टेम्परेचर है, टेम्परेचर को हम मेजर कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ ये देखो इसका जो एसआई यूनिट हो सकता है दैट इज सेल्सियस, डिग्री सेल्सियस, और फ़ारेनहाइट, फ़ारेनहाइट और केल्विन। These are the SI unit for temperature. Are you getting me? Mostly जो SI unit of temperature है वो उसको हम Kelvin कह सकते हैं। Are you getting me? These were some differences between heat and temperature. So you came to know that heat जो है, heat and temperature are although closely related, but they don't have the same meaning. Heat is a form of an energy. Temperature is not the form of an energy. Are you getting me? And ये जो heat है, it depends upon the factors like speed of the particles, number of particles, size, mass है. But जो temperature है, temperature does not depend upon these factors, number of particles, speed, वो। That is why we say a small tub of water, a small cup of water and a big tub of water may have the same temperature, but the heat intensity is quite different. यहाँ पे heat ज़्यादा produce होगी because of the more number of particles and more speed of the particles. Number third, heat जो है it's the cause and temperature is its effect. And जो heat है it's measured in joules or calories, and ये जो temperature है it's commonly measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit or what? Kelvin. Besides this, another important example is this. ये जो temperature है it determines the direction of the flow of heat. It determines, देखो बेटा, ये determine करेगी, it determines the direction of flow of heat. Are you getting me? मतलब किस direction में आपकी heat चल रही है। मतलब ये जो temperature है ये it always flows, जो heat है, heat always flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. And ये जो heat है it does not determine the direction of flow of heat. Heat does not determine the direction of flow of heat. It only tells ये जो है whether it is a hot, whether it is a cold or whether it's a warm. Temperature है जो है, temperature जो physical this actually it determines the direction of the flow of heat, that it always flows from the body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. Heat always flows from higher temperature to the lower temperature. Heat does not determine the direction of the flow of heat. Are you getting me? And these were some differences, mainly 3 or 4 differences that were discussed between heat and temperature. So you came to know that heat and temperature are closely related to each other, but they are the different things. We got this, and this was a topic today that we have discussed.